For those of you who were not here last week and don't know how to get into Soundtrap, or if you have Soundtrap on your Schoology app, we're going to need to go in through a website. So make sure you use Chrome or Safari to get in and then log into your account. Once you get into Schoology, you will click on your class course for lab, strings, or guitar. And on the left-hand side, there is a menu bar. Make sure you click on Soundtrap. And it should take you to a second window. Next thing you're going to do is make sure you allow pop-ups for the windows, because Soundtrap needs a second window. It's not going to open up in Schoology itself. You'll see the purple home page, and then make sure you click on groups. Click on the class that is yours. This example, I'm using period 3, and you should be able to see myself, Mr. Gregorio, and then your name should come up on the list. And that should be it.